Ahmed Abdurazak, a Google and Cambridge Certified Educator. I supplement teaching with technology. I have added a new playlist on my channel named Teaching with Technology, mainly for educators. This was created to train teachers on how to become a Google Certified Educator, a Cambridge Certified Educator, how to make use of Google tools to create assessment, to analyze students, to track their performance, how to make online content, how to create online content, how to teach online, how to do all the necessary web tools that are meant for educators. I'm going to teach you everything for free. All you need to do is to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to receive notification anytime I organize a live lesson or anytime I upload a new video, and the link will always be there. Should you miss out in the live lesson, you can always see the recorded version of it, and you can always take your time and be part of it. All these will be discussed free of charge, and you are going to go to the next level. You are going to have the 21st century skills to make you a better teacher, to analyze your students, and to raise your profile, your portfolio, and your CV will be wanted by all business owners. Just subscribe to the channel and watch out for the live lessons.